this quick video, we're going to show you how to install the HEPA or P3 filters to the PX5 PAPR. First, you want to install the pre-filter to the front face of your HEPA or P3 filter. You've got a large tab at the top and then two smaller tabs at the bottom. Once that is installed, you can then take that filter and inserting the two tabs into the locators at the top of the PX5, clip the bottom into position, and that secures that filter onto the PX5. Now, if you need to use a spark arrestor, you'll need to insert that onto the front cover of that PX5. And to do this, you need to release the green cover door. Once that has been released, you can then insert the spark arrestor to the two tabs on the filter door. Once that has been installed, you can then replace the green door and then take the filter door and clip it onto the front of the PX5. And that is how to replace the HEPA filters or P3 filters on the PX5 PAPR.